right, hello, my name is Ryan Pierce, and I'm going to go over my subject, which is the colonization of our solar system, and putting bases on the moon and Mars, and so on and so forth. The asteroid belt and the moons beyond. I'm going to be Ryan Pierce, CEO of Complex LLC. Now, into the new year, we are 25 years into the 21st century. With our many accomplishments, we are entering a new era of challenges. Many governments have already identified many of these issues and are working towards practical ways of solving them. These issues are overpopulation, materials for energy, minerals used for everyday life, food, water, and other resources. To solve these problems, many first world governments have taken the initiative to put bases on the moon and Mars. Chinese President Xi Jinping has already set an initiative for China to become a space superpower by the year 2045. His goal is to have a base on the moon by 2035. The reason is to harvest materials used for nuclear reactors and other minerals that are abundant on the moon. Elon Musk, founder and CEO of SpaceX, has set his objective to have a base on Mars by 2044. Musk's goal is to establish a self sustaining colony on Mars, which he believes would help ensure the long term survival of humanity. He also expects to have 1 million people living on Mars in about 20 years. Now, for my company, Complex LLC, the future of humankind depends on developing technology and allocating resources and training to creating bases on the moon and the Mars. We're looking for workers and leaders who have a variety of skill sets and willing to undergo the training necessary to secure the future of mankind and explore the unknown. We are also looking for investors who would be interested in investing into the future. Our objectives are materials, harvesting materials for energy, unlimited minerals, unlimited real estate, food and water, the as well as the future of humanity and the solar system. So, materials for energy. The moon is expected to be a major hub for nuclear material, but that does not rule out the possibility for nuclear material to also be embedded on Mars or the asteroid belt. Mining such crucial resources could solve many of our energy needs as humanity continues to grow, especially into the space age, right? So, with unlimited minerals, as Earth's resources are beginning to dwindle, I cannot believe that these links are coming out. I apologize. As Earth's resources are beginning to dwindle, so does many other crucial materials and minerals used in everyday life. Mining on the moon, Mars, and unlimited asteroids will give us 1,000 plus years of natural resources. Then, with real estate, our cities are packed full of citizens just trying to get by and making ends meet. With these space based endeavors, we can migrate to the moon, Mars, and beyond. We are not restricted to terrestrial planets or moons. We can also venture into floating space stations as well. With food and water, many of the asteroids are verified to be large blocks of ice just waiting to be used for agriculture, hydration, for use for cleaning, cooking, daily use, and much more. With all of the open space, we can build space farms. We can build space farms on the surface of Mars. We can do space farms in the space stations. We could probably even put space farms in these asteroids. We just need to build a good enough habitat for it, kind of like a greenhouse. I forget what you call them, like a planetarium in space, of course. Now, the final subject here is the future of humanity and the solar system. After we successfully colonized the moon and Mars, the rest of our solar system is still up for the taking. The asteroid belt possesses untold resources, with some asteroids already projected to be worth over 250 quintillion, or two, and I believe that's 15 zeros. Hold on. 18 zeros, right, written out. So that's a pretty huge number, as you can imagine. Hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions, quintillion. Right? So that's a lot of zeros. And one of the more practical solutions would be to terraform the dwarf planet Ceres and turn it into a massive spaceport and become a hub for asteroid belt activities and outer planet travel. Very similar to what I'm sure is going to happen with Mars one day and the moon as they start becoming more like large ports for future spacecraft to basically travel in and out of. And yeah, why is it going that way? But yeah, that's my presentation. Thank you.